Chapter 3, Lecture 2. Now, Hansaba's land. There was once a landlord in a small town whom everyone was afraid of. He owned a majority of land area in the town. There was an old lady, Hansaben, whose farm was near his land. The landlord gradually started capturing the land nearby. Slowly and steadily, the landlord encroached upon half of Hansaben's territory and means her farm, and did not give her land or money in return. Thus, in order to get back her land, Hansaben filed a case in the Taluka court. Both the landlord as well as Hansaben presented their arguments in the court. The judgment heard their arguments and gave the verdict in favor of Hansaben. So, yes, here only civil cases are heard in the Taluka court. House, land, or property cases are called as civil cases. If people do not get justice in Taluka court, they can appeal to the district court. Now we discussed about High Court. The highest court in our country is the Supreme Court. Every state has a High Court. The High Court in our state is in Ahmedabad. The jurisdiction of the courts of all states is decided by the High Court. All the High Courts are uniform and are called courts of records. There are other judges to help the main judge at the High Court. Anyone has the right to appeal in the High Court for the public welfare. However, if anyone appeals for the wrong reasons and wastes the court's time, she or he could be punished. The state high court judge takes the oath in front of the governor. Generally, lawyers argue in high court. If required, both the petitioners and accused are called in the court. Now, judgment for Gabbar, either another story. There was a village called Ranpur. The head of that village was Lalji Mukhi. It was winter. One day, while returning home from the farm, late in the evening, a car suddenly stopped near him. A few men got down from the car, attacked him, and left him badly injured. A person who attacked him was a known ruffian, means Gabbar. Mukhi filed a case against Gabbar and got him arrested. Gabbar was asked to remain present in the court. After the argument from both the lawyers, the judgment was passed in Gabbar's favor. Thus, Gabbar was set free and Mukhi did not get justice. Gabbar kept threatening Mukhi repeatedly and even threatened to kill him. Mukhi was fed up of this and thus decided to appeal in the High Court. The High Court heard the arguments from the both sides. Judgment of the High Court was different from that of the District Court. Gabbar was convicted and Mukhi finally got justice. Hence, if a person does not get justice from District Court, then he or she can appeal in the High Court. Every district has criminal court. The policemen arrest criminals on the basis of complaints filed against them. Criminal gets punishment like penalty, life imprisonment or death sentence, etc. on the basis of the type of crime committed by him or her. Theft, robbery, duel, murder, physical harm or any kind of fight come under criminal cases. When the police get to know about a crime for the first time, it is called First Information Report. FIR is registered. Here, there was a small village named Ratanpur where Jamshedji, a magician, lived. One day, a thief robbed his house, but he did not know what to do, and so he came out of the house shouting for help. Everyone came out of their houses, but the thief managed to escape. What, according to you, should do Jamshedji now? So you write down here. And last, Jugnu. There was an abominable and cruel man named Jugnu. People were afraid of him, and he could rob and kill anybody. One day, a social worker visited that village. Since Jugnu's deeds were of a criminal offense, she filed a case against him in the district criminal court in order to save people from his terror. He was tried in court, but the lady lost the case as no one dared to speak against Jugnu. It is the word means some verdict change. However, if people had stood witness against Jugnu without fear, what verdict would have been passed? So he punished. Now here some questions are there. Who is usually present in a court? Who argues in the court? Which types of cases are heard in the court? Why does the court give verdicts? What will happen if the court does not pass any verdict? What will happen if the judgment is not accepted? What will happen if people do not have money to pay the court? Now here, no. Petitioner meaning a person who files a complaint. Judge, a person who, who give justice after leaving the court. Now some words and his meaning. Lawyer, who has who has the knowledge of lawyer. Civil case, land, house, property, etc. Criminal case, theft, robbery, murder, etc. Arrest, taking the physical personal by further. Warrant, order to issued by court. Appeal, a petition filed in high court. FRI, first information report. Client, a person who engage a lawyer to arguments court. Now here detail criminal and where file case, what to do. Theft at home, district court, and complaint in first information report, and etc. Now courts pass judgments when a court has to investigate the matter minutely to avoid injustice. A case get delayed. To reduce the workload of the High Court, Lok Adalats have been put into practice. Lok Adalats find solutions for reconciliations. So now exercise given in Google Classroom.